I'm gathering up all my old Speedcure, and I'm gonna make me an epic wild dirty pour. And I got these little carts that I store stuff in. They've got epoxy all over them. It's upgrade time. Use old buckets with old epoxy. Makes sense. Making a big batch of purple and green and white. And then we're gonna pour it right in that tray. Yes. That is purple warble. Purple powder in there. White. This purple's discontinued. Still might be available a little bit on our legacy line. If you see powders that say legacy colors, once they're sold out, they're gone, so jump on them. This is one of them. Purple Mountain ain't. That's sticking around. This is going to be a lot of purples. I wanted it dark because I'm just going over red. I don't really care how it looks, but it'll be a much prettier surface to put my sticks and gloves and stuff on than what you're looking at. So I'm going to do this to all my little carts. Barely any green in this. This green is also legacy color, RIP. Yeah, so we're going to go get the green. I feel like Bob Ross sometimes mixing colors, but Bob Ross is so much cooler than me. All right, so if you notice I switched my stick, that's because I didn't want to stick an epoxy filled stick into the powder. You'll get chunks in there later. It'll cure up. I'm making a dirty pour. Why? Because it's very easy. All I have to do is pour these back in this bucket and then pour them in my thing and I'm done. So I should have had a different work area. That's Big Mitch. Does he think everything thoroughly through? Absolutely not. Does it turn out okay? Most of the time. Dirty pour time. Let's go. Purple dye, white, purple, violet pearl, purple mountain, green, purple, whatever that color was. Whoops, spilled some white. As you can tell, I didn't care how I poured it in either. That's it. Man, that's gonna be cool. All right. Wow, look at that. Now let's go. Whoa, we hit a huge dye section there. Hopefully this doesn't just drain. It might. Cool. That looks so pretty. Okay, that's it. Clean up my mess now. I got totally squirrel syndrome. What an upgrade though. That looks so much better. Pretty cool. It's that easy.